The term for harvesting abuos and its eggs. Abuos live in fruit trees. Abuos nests are abundant in forests wherein they lay white and juicy eggs. Abuos represents unity and camaraderie in the locale, which best represents the traits of every Ilocanos, most especially the Banna Tirans. Just like the Abuos, Banna Tirans exerts bayanihan that makes the town of Banna one of the most growing innovative business town in Ilocos Norte. However, the abundant blessings of Abuos in the town were once at risk with a calamity that once destroyed the mountain part of Banna. But to be grateful, there was some Abuos nests that were not destroyed. Since the calamity happened, there was no work for townsfolk to gain income to sustain their daily necessities. Hence, these trials for the townsfolk didn't make us a hindrance for the Banna Tirans to give up, but they are more willing to stand up and track a new journey. So, the people of Banna prayed and asked from God Almighty the guidance and blessings. With God's grace, all the prayers and longing of the Banna Tirans were granted by the Lord. Ket nga rod, napanda iti kabanbantayan nga mapan agala abuos, ket dakkel ti siddao da, tati bantay nga naperdi ket itan, ket nalapsaten, ken napintasen ti panawenen. Ket, nagruar nga rod ti nakaad-adu nga abuos, ken naparaburan da iti adu nga itlog, nga inda na apit, manipod ti umok ti itlog ti abuos. Ket nga rod, naragsakda nga nagawid, keninda niluto, dagiti naalada nga itlog, nagsasangwan ti tumunggal maysa. Ketinda nagselebrar, ken nagramrambak. Ladies and gentlemen, behold, the contingent number 5, Nagpatayan and Bangsar Elementary Schools, Agbiag.
Thank you so much, contingent number 5.